Hey everyone, Joffrey here, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into the latest entry-level offering from Vivo, the Y19s. Known for its budget-friendly yet feature-rich smartphone, Vivo brings a new contender in the entry-level market, packing solid features and an attractive design at an affordable price. Let's see what the Vivo Y19s has to offer. But before that, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss all my latest gadget reviews. Let's get started. Starting with the design, the Vivo Y19s doesn't look like your typical budget phone. Its sleek, minimalist body with settled, shimmering colors gives it a more trendy feel. Vivo has clearly put some effort into making this device look good without breaking the bank. The back of the phone houses a dual camera setup, neatly aligned, giving it a clean and modern look, with two available colors to choose from, glossy black and glacier blue. For ultimate durability, it has SGS 5-star drop resistant and military-grade certification, with IP64 dust and water resistant, which is a great added features for this budget-friendly phone. Moving on to the display, the Vivo Y19s features a 6.68-inch IPS LCD HD Plus screen with a resolution of 720 by 1608 pixels, with 90 Hz refresh rate and the highest brightness of 1000 nits. While it may not be Full HD, the colors and brightness are impressive for this range. It's perfectly fine for streaming videos, playing games, or browsing social media, thanks to Vivo's color optimization technology, which enhances saturation and vibrancy. Now let's talk about the performance. Under the hood, the Vivo Y19s is powered by the Unisoc Tiger T612, a 12nm processor with a clock speed of octa-core 1.8 GHz, paired with 6GB of RAM plus 6GB of RAM Turbo and 128GB of internal storage. For an entry-level device, this processor handles daily tasks smoothly like social media apps or browsing. You can easily run multiple apps and do some light gaming without much lag. However, for more intensive tasks and high graphics games, do not expect much with this processor. It might start to show some limitations. One of the highlights of the Y19s is its battery life. Equipped with a massive 5500 mAh battery, this device easily lasts for a full day on a single charge, even with moderate to heavy use. And if you're a light user, you might even get 2 days out of it. Plus, with 15 watts wired charging, this may take time to fully charge the big battery, which is approximately 2 hours. Now onto the camera department, the Vivo Y19s packs a 50-megapixel primary sensor paired with an auxiliary lens. For the price range, the main camera does a commendable job, especially in well-lit conditions. Colors are fairly accurate and the details come through nicely. On the front, you have a 5-megapixel selfie camera. While it's not the most detailed camera, it's more than enough for video calls and social media photos. In terms of software, the Y19s runs on FunTouch OS 14 based on Android 14, providing a simple yet feature-rich experience. You get useful additions like Face Unlock, which is quick and convenient, and features like screen recording and split-screen multitasking that can be handy for productivity. Alright, to wrap the things up, the Vivo Y19s is a strong entry-level choice, especially if you're looking for a stylish phone with solid battery life, decent cameras, and reliable day-to-day performance. It is ideal for those who want a quality experience without expending a fortune. Speaking of value, you can get this device at price tag of 500 dirhams here in Dubai. Alright, that's for today's review of the latest Vivo Y19s. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you like this review, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more exciting tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.